Hey guys, welcome to the Let's Design channel. In this video, I will show you how to make this exercise, and this exercise name is stop block. Okay, for the first, I want to change this background and I want to make it plain white and change the unit. I want to make it IPS. Let's start from the front plane and then click the normal tool, click the sketch. I want to choose this line and then click to this point. You can follow my instruction. Make the horizontal line, vertical, and then connect. And then I want to make the smart dimension for this sketch. For the vertical is around about 2, 3 divide for 4 inch. Okay, and then make the horizontal dimension is 3 divide 8 inch, and I want to make this one 2 inch and then click OK and make this distance is 7 divide 8 inch and then click OK. Okay, you will see the sketch like this, and I want to add the 3-point arch and click to this sketch and make it and give the distance for this one is 3 divide 4 inch or 0.75 and then give the radius it is 2 inch. Click OK, and I want to add the line. Click this point and connect to this. Click the smart dimension. Okay, give it 1 divide 2 inch and click OK. Then click yes, and I want to give the thickness for the sketch by click the extrude boss, choose to this file, choose to the sketch, okay, you can see okay, I want to give the thickness is 5 divide 8 inch plus 1 3 divide 8 inch and then click OK. You can see the sketch like this, but you can fill this by click the sketch and then click OK. Okay, for the next I want to click the extrude boss. I'm sorry, just click the X, click this toggle and click the sketch more and click the extrude boss. I want to give the thickness for this one. Yeah, it's round about 5 divide 8 millimeter, and then click OK. You can see this thickness is at. Click this toggle, click the sketch. I want to extrude boss by reverse the direction and click this. You can see what the select sketch is like trapezium, and give the thickness is around about 3 divide 8 inch minus this 5 divide 8 millimeter plus 3 divide 8 millimeter, and then close. Just click OK. Okay, you will see the sketch like this. And I want to make the extrude cut at these sides, and I want to make hollow one in this side. Okay, let's start from the click this surface and click the reference geometry, click the plane and make it a 0, and then click OK. Click the plane, and click the normal. Sorry, just normal 2. Normal 2, and I want to expand this plane. Okay, click the sketch, and I want to make a 2, and I want to make a 2 rectangle by click to this spot and make the other one. Make the smart dimension, it is 7 divide 8 inch, and click OK. And then I want to make this line equal by select all the line and make it equal. Click OK. For the other one, and I want to give the dimension 3 divide 4 inch, and click OK. And the sides dimension is 5 divide 8 millimeter inch, and then click OK. Okay, and this sides dimension to this, it is half inch, and then click OK. And to this sides, it is 3 divide 4 inch.